Patrymau iaith, diwrnod 7, Corwen a Llangollen, canolradd, Day 7 language patterns. Rhif 1, cyfrif, counting. There are 2 ways to count objects in Welsh. The first is number plus or plus plural form with a soft mutation. So if you use a plural, cŵn, dogs, cathod, cats, then it would be tri o gŵn, 3 of dogs. Pedwar o gathod, 4 of cats. The second way to count is just to use the number plus the singular noun. This can be a little more difficult because you need to know if the noun is masculine or feminine. For example, ci, masculine, neu cath, feminine. There are a number of rules to know about. Masculine. 1, 2 plus soft mutation, 3 plus aspirate mutation, 4, 5, 6 plus aspirate mutation. Feminine. 1 plus soft mutation, 2 plus soft mutation, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus aspirate mutation. Pimp is often pim before nouns. For example, pum pint. Chwech is often chwe before nouns. For example, chwe pherson. Examples of counting singular masculine nouns. 1 ci, 2 gi, 3 chi, 4 ci, 5 ci, 6 chi. Examples of counting singular feminine nouns. 1 gath, 2 gath, 3 cath, 4 cath, 5 cath, 6 cath. Rhif 2. Rhifau traddodiadol. Traditional numbers. This is the older, more traditional way to count in Welsh. These forms are still in common use for telling the time, people's ages, dates and so on. 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, 40, 50, 1 ar 50, 2 ar 50, 2 ar 50, 19, 3 ar 50, 4 ar 50, 4 ar 50, 4 ar 50, 20, 1 ar 20, 2 ar 20, 2 ar 20, 3 ar 20, 4 ar 20, 4 ar 20, 4 ar 20, 5 ar 20, 6 ar 20, 7 ar 20, 8 ar 20, 9 ar 20, 10 ar 20, 1 ar 10 ar 20, 20, 1 ar 20, hanner cant, trigian, 10 a thrigian, 40, 10 a 40, cant. If the traditional form has 3 parts, 1 ar 10, the noun you are counting often goes after the first part, 5 munud ar 20. Rhif 3. Dyddiadau. Cyntaf, ail, trydydd. Dates. First, second, third. Dates use the traditional counting system. When writing the dates as numerical figures, the shortened letters that follow are completely different to those in English. Here is a full list of the dates. Y cyntaf, yr ail, y trydydd, y pedwerydd, y pumed, y chweched, y seithfed, yr wythfed, y nawfed, y degfed, yr unfed ar 10, y 12fed, y trydydd ar 10, y pedwerydd ar 10, y 15fed, yr unfed ar 15, yr ail ar 15, y 19fed, y pedwerydd ar 15, yr 20fed, yr unfed ar 20, yr ail ar 20, y trydydd ar 20, y pedwerydd ar 20, y pumed ar 20, y chweched ar 20, y seithfed ar 20, yr wythfed ar 20, y nawfed ar 20, y degfed ar 20, yr unfed ar 10 ar 20. When you are counting feminine nouns, there is a soft mutation with the number and the noun that follows. Y drydydd ferch, y bedwaredd ferch, y bumed ferch, y chweched ferch, y seithfed ferch, yr wythfed ferch, y nawfed ferch, y ddegfed ferch.